guys, I am Bithika Barman and I am a student of Mathuranga College Chemistry Department. Today I am going to discuss about one of the very famous organic chemical reaction, Fischer-Indel synthesis. It is a standard heterocyclic synthesis reaction and it is done none other than the great Emil Fischer. Today in this video, I will discuss about the mechanism and what are the effect of reagent on this particular reaction. So stay with me to the end of the video. The indole is known as also benzopyrrole. So the structure of indole is like this. In case of indole, one pyrrole ring is fused with the benzene ring. The molecular formula of indole is C8H7N. What is Fischer-Indol synthesis? Fischer-Indol synthesis is most important method to make indole. So this is Fischer-Indol synthesis. As you can see, it starts with phenyl hydrogen along with a ketone, and here it is acetone. When these two reagents are treated with catalytic amount of H+, we will get this indole product. Now we will look into the mechanism of this particular reaction. So what happened here is this hydrogen and this oxygen is going to be eliminated as minus H2O. So this is the first step of reaction where you will get an imine. Imines are inherently less stable, so they will readily undergo the tautomerization. It is a type of enamine, and enamines are more stable than the imine because this carbon-carbon double bond is more stable and it is kinetically more stable. To undergo Fischer-Indol type reaction, ketone substrate that need alpha hydrogen, otherwise tautomerization can't take place. Now this nitrogen take this hydrogen. Now this particular reagent is perfectly oriented for 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement. This electron will come here and this bond was break. Then it will come here and this will attack here. You can see this phenyl ring loses its aromaticity. Now if this hydrogen go there, now it will regenerate its aromaticity. This nitrogen has a lone pair, so it will readily attack over here, and that will give you one intermediate like this. Now to neutralize this charge, what will happen next? So there we have one hydrogen, and this hydrogen can go the way how this charge can be neutralized, and this is how we get the indole. This is the standard mechanism of Fischer-Indol synthesis. The first step is formation of a imine and then the formation of a enamine through tautomerization. In between, which step is more important is 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement. It is remembered that one ammonia molecule is removed in this reaction. Now if we will use unsymmetrical ketone instead of symmetrical ketone, what happened? Let's see. Now if we will treat phenyl hydrogen this, where we have two different type of alpha H atom, we will get two types of product like this, and the mechanism of this reaction is same as previous reaction mechanism. So thanks for watching.